Hey folks, you guys have a leaking water spigot. When it leaks out of this little check valve over here, all right, that's a valve, so when the water freezes during the winter time, it'll release it and it'll get some water out of here. If you have the one that has a little notches like that, this cover spins off, and then the little check valve or the return valve, whatever they call it, vacuum valve, that spins off too, and then you can replace it. Okay, you could buy a kit depending if you know what brand the valve is. Otherwise, sometimes they are universal. You can buy a kit and just steal the little rubber valve that was in there and just change that, and the rest of the kit just throw it out because you really have no use for it. All right, but this is the spin-on one. I am going to show you the other brand. All right, going to travel 6 hours to another house, and we're going to change that. And that one's different. That one it's got 3 little knots, like little punch holes in it. That means it just pops out. All right, I'm going to show it to you. Hang on. Here you go. We're going to replace a little broken valve here on the spigot. There's enough room to take it out. It's pretty simple. This cap just pops out, and then this piece just spins off. There's the new one. You notice that's why it's leaking. This company one is a Prier, and this is the replacement kit, 630-7500. Just a little tighter in here because they put this little siding on it. So yeah, pair of pliers knocks this little cap off, holds on with 3 little tabs, and then you get the old channel locks and you put it on. Snug enough, that should be good enough. I think we could test it now. Just turn it on a little bit. There you go. Okay. The original one was pouring out of the top because of that little valve. All right, now I'm going to snap that one on, Steve, and we're good to go. There you go. So, all done. Thanks for watching.